Moving in slow motion, we're just floating, so wild and free. And it all made sense to me. If I'm gonna die a young American, then this was the final night we'd ever have again. I'd be just fine as long as I'm wherever you are. 'Cause you stole my young American heart. Well, it's been a long 2 years since you have left the country. And now you and I, we're living in some crazy times. And I get so scared we'll never make it through our 20s.
Hey there, Brooks Harbor Bobcats. Jeff Joniak, voice of the Chicago Bears, through your school counselor, the great Mrs. L. It is kicking off Kindness Week. Shout out to your great principal, Mr. Z. Huge Bears fan out here. How about that year, Mr. Z? Dramatic every single week. My ticker couldn't take it. But what a great run. Nearly an NFC championship, possible Super Bowl run, but the future looks bright with Caleb Williams and Ben Johnson and the crew. So great times ahead. A thank you to Essentia Health for your new rock wall. And why does kindness matter at school and on a team? It's everything. Never underestimate a random act of kindness and what that means to somebody. Certainly in those moments when everybody needs a little love. So you guys at school and on your teams, remember that. Daily kindness and the Daily Kind Act Challenge is underway. Kindness rocks. Cheers and go Bears.
Fine as long as I'm wherever you are. 'Cause you stole my young American heart.
Hey y'all, Chad Beebe here, former Minnesota Viking. I wanted to reach out to you first, hoping that it's not too late, that I didn't miss you guys here with this, but it's Kindness Week there at Brooks Harbor Elementary, all you Bobcats. Just wanted to give you a short message on what kindness means to me. I have learned in my life that kindness goes a long way. Just an arm around the shoulder, or a high five, or a smile, or a kind word can go a long way and make a huge difference in somebody's life. So I challenge you, not just this week, but create a habit of just giving somebody a kind word, an encouraging word, because it goes a long way. Give a kind word, put an arm around somebody, and anyway, enjoy Kindness Week, and go Bobcats.
Good morning, Bobcats. Alexander Madison here, NFL running back. And I just want to make sure that I tap in with you guys and emphasize the importance of kindness and let you know why kindness matters. Because not only does it matter in real life, but it matters when you're on a team. It matters when you have maybe a class project and you guys are working together. I encourage you to be kind to your neighbor, be kind to your friends, be kind to your parents, your siblings, anyone that you have in your life. Kindness goes a long way. And I'm telling you this from experience. People that were kind to me, people that showed love to me, they helped me pursue my dreams. So be kind to others. Be kind to one another. Let's continue to make this world a better place. And especially those of you that are having the dreams and aspirations of being on a team, it matters to be kind to your teammates, because you're going to have to trust and depend on them. And you have to go out there and have a common goal and try to accomplish something together. So spread the love, spread the positivity, and be extra kind to Mr. Z, who could use it as a Bears fan. I just want to say thank you, Mrs. L, the most amazing and the best school counselor. Make sure that you guys show her some extra love and kindness as well. And Skol.